We have the Overmans here. We have Jolene and Daniel Overman who are here. We've worked on their van for a period of years, a couple of vans actually that they've had. And, you know, they had a problem with their transmission and suspension work and stuff like that. And by the grace of God and, you know, everything in the universe aligning, we were able to find them another complete van that had exactly all the parts that we needed for their van, and we swapped it over because theirs is a special handicap van with the wheelchair access and everything. So we were blessed to be able to help them to get their van back on the road again. They broke down in Globe and all kinds of heartache and heartbreak that went with that. So I'm just going to let Daniel and Jolene say a word or two about their experience here.
I can't tell you or begin to tell you how incredibly blessed we were with this. And it was the right vehicle at the right time in the right place with the right people, and that can't possibly be a coincidence.
No.
And you know, good work, just replaced everything from the firewall forward, struts, just thousands of dollars of work. And there are no words to express our gratitude.
Yes, and not only did they make it very affordable for us, but they were very enthusiastic about working on it and very happy and excited to do that
That's
for
right,
us.
dear.
So thank you very much.
Yeah,
It's our pleasure, you know, to have done this for you, and you know, like I said, everything just fell together within 1 week time, which is incredible. Find the exact same van with the exact same drivetrain, and God definitely had something to do with it.
I
Divine
can't
intervention.
argue that.
Yes.
I cannot argue that.
And here we go. We thank the Overmans again for their business and for their patronage and their loyalty to Good Works Auto Repair. And we'll be seeing you again in the future.
Yes, thank you very much.
God bless you.